You've probably seen creators like Jake Tran and Magnates Media using movie clips in their videos. In this video, I'll show you how to use those clips safely and share 3 websites where you can download them for free. So, let's stop searching and start editing. The first website on our list for finding movie clips is yarn.com. Getting started is simple. Head to the search bar and type any word, phrase, or sentence. Yarn will instantly show clips from movies and TV shows from where that phrase was said. When you find a clip you like, just click on the clip and a new page will open. Now to grab the footage and use it in your video. Just click on the download button here. Yarn also has fun categories like quizzes, memes, emojis, and stories, so you can discover scenes that make your content more entertaining. It's a great resource for finding engaging movie and TV moments that help your videos stand out. Next up, we've got Comb.io, another awesome free site for finding movie and TV clips. Comb is built for cartoon comedy fans. You'll find scenes from shows like The Simpsons, Rick and Morty, Family Guy, and plenty more. To get started, just type any quote or phrase into the search bar. Comb instantly finds the exact moment that line was said. Select the clip that you like and click on it. Now press the button labeled as Create Clip. From here, just click the 3 dots, then hit download, and your clip will be ready to use. It's a quick, fun way to drop a bit of humor and personality into your videos. The third website is the well-known playphrase.me. It was originally built to help people improve their English pronunciation by showing real examples from movies and TV shows. But over time, creators started using it for something even cooler, adding cinematic clips to their videos. To use playphrase, just type any word or phrase into the search bar. The site instantly pulls up several clips where that line was spoken on screen. You can preview each one and download the clip using the small download button below it. It's an easy way to find short, punchy moments that make your videos more dynamic and engaging. Our final bonus site is Clip.Cafe, a paid platform built for pro creators. It gives you HD movie and TV clips from a massive library of over 5 million scenes. Just search a quote or title, and it'll pull up the exact moment, ready to preview, download, or embed. If you want your edits to look cinematic and clean, this is the site to check out. And that's it. The best sites to find movie and TV clips for your edits. Whether it's Yarn, Comb.io, Playphrase, or Clip.Cafe, each one adds that cinematic touch. Just remember to respect fair use, keep clips short, add commentary, and make it your own. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Now go make something epic.